have an Ask Steve Anonymous. Here we go. This one's an email. It reads, "Hi, Steve. My wife and I were recently in Michigan visiting her family, and one night I saw her washing the dishes and decided to goose her. To my horror, it wasn't my wife, but my mother-in-law. My wife and mother-in-law both have smoking bodies, and she just turned around and smiled and didn't say a word. I have to admit, I enjoyed it. Well, to make matters worse, my wife just told me that her mother is now talking about moving to Chicago to be close to us. Should I come clean to my wife about it? I could even disguise it as a joke to see what she said. This ain't finna be funny, boy. Disguise what as a joke? What you telling her this for? You don't, oh, shut your damn mouth. This never happened. You can walk up there. Oh. Ain't a lot of people can mistake their mother-in-law for their wife. It's out there, but not a lot of people. You goosed your mom-in-law. I goose my mother-in-law. I'm gonna need a football helmet on. I know your ass ain't goosing me.